Part number LTCSS-7590 is a 90-degree liquid-tight connector that's made from premium stainless steel. It installs on liquid-tight conduit like a standard liquid-tight connector, but it's made from all stainless. The gland ring, the body, it comes with a rubber gasket to create a watertight seal against boxes and enclosures, stainless steel lock nut, and also a plastic insulator to protect the wires from abrasion when being pulled through and into a box. Don't get caught needing to replace liquid-tight connectors every couple of years. Choose stainless steel from Garvin Industries and get a lifetime of protection. For these and other great products, be sure to visit garvinindustries.com.